You may have seen or heard about this kid that made $30,000 launching a meme coin and then rugging it while live on stream. Launching a meme coin on Solana is honestly so easy these days with pumpfun that even kids are doing it. Now, I definitely wouldn't recommend launching a coin just to rug it and take everyone's money, especially while showing your face on a live stream. But the reality is that's what's happening out there every minute of every day. A lot of people are just sick of buying these coins and getting rugged and want to flip the script and make their own. What you don't necessarily hear about is that 99% of these meme coins don't actually make any money because most people don't really know how they should be launching a coin the right way. Almost all of them just end up looking like this with no buyers and no attention. So yes, it's very easy to launch a meme coin, but to actually create one that is going to get off the ground, get some attention, and get people buying is a lot more difficult than people make it sound. In the next 3 minutes, I'll tell you how 99% of people are doing it completely wrong, so they don't actually make any money launching meme coins, how the people who are actually getting rich do it, and how easy it can be if you know the right tools to use. This video is for educational purposes only, and what you choose to do with this newfound knowledge is completely on you. Here's what people like this are doing wrong. You should not be launching it directly on pumpfun. You should not be launching it without bundling the supply in wallets that you control. And you should not be launching without volume bots set up in advance to get it off the ground. Now, if that sounds confusing or difficult, well, it's really not anymore with the launch of some of these new all-in-one tools and bots that do all of this for you. Generally, you do need a decent idea and some marketing, but if you look at a lot of successful meme coins, most are pretty dumb, right? But you could have the best idea in the world, and if you're not launching it correctly, there's almost no chance that anyone is ever gonna see it, let alone buy it. These tools and bots are so powerful now that you can get a meme coin off the ground without even having a website, a Twitter page, a Telegram group, or doing really anything to market it. Now, most of the people who launch coins like this will probably just rug them in the first hour and make a couple $1,000s, but you wouldn't do that, right? Right? Anyway, one of the issues with these tools is that most cost anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 or 15 to 20 Solana, which is a bit pricey for most people. But there is one that does it all for a fraction of the cost, and that is meme tools. So here's what it can do. You get a full dashboard where you can launch tokens straight to pumpfun or Radium. You can create up to 20 wallets to bundle the supply prior to launching, and it will automatically buy random amounts in each wallet before anyone else has a chance to buy, making it look like the supply is spread out while you actually control it. Then once your coin is launched, you can set the bots to create artificial volume, buying at random intervals to pump the price and entice other people to buy. At any time, you can sell your tokens from individual wallets or all of them at once, but that means you will be essentially rugging the coin. So that's on you if you want to do that. This video is just for educational purposes. The thing is, if you use all these tools, your coin has a really good chance to get some traction right away and actually turn it into something big if you put some effort in. And this is exactly how people who are actually making money launching meme coins do it. The crazy thing is that meme tools only cost 3 Solana, which is about 80% cheaper than most tools that do exactly the same thing. I put a link in the description. It's not an affiliate link and I don't get anything from them, but it's just the best tool on the market with the best price. If you want to buy this, you just send 3 SOL to their wallet address, put in your email, and then they email you the license and login details for your account. So this is how people are making ridiculous amounts of money launching meme coins, and how you can do it too without much effort. If this video helped you out, I'd appreciate a like, and I'd recommend watching their more in-depth tutorials if you do end up buying them. And I'll just say again that this video is for educational and informative purposes only. Okay? Okay, bye.